Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Horizon, your go-to spot for the latest in car news and reviews. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated American supercars of the year, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C8 ZR1. The ZR1 badge has always stood for serious performance, and Chevy is taking things to the next level this time around. Let's dive into everything we know so far, from the engine, performance specs, design, and more. The 2025 Corvette C8 ZR1 looks like it came straight off the Le Mans grid. It's aggressive, wider, and much more focused than the standard C8. Spy shots and leaked renders show a massive rear wing, large front splitters, and aggressive side skirts, all designed to keep this beast glued to the track. Expect active aerodynamics, a reworked front fascia for better airflow, and a lot more carbon fiber than before. This car is all about downforce, cooling, and serious track-ready performance. Now let's talk power, because this is where the ZR1 really sets itself apart. Under the hood, we're looking at a heavily modified version of the Z06's flat-plane crank LT6 engine. But this time, it's twin-turbocharged. Rumors and early info suggest we'll see around 850 horsepower, possibly more. That's supercar territory, and then some. Expect 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds and a top speed north of 215 miles per hour. This will be the most powerful production Corvette ever made. Power is nothing without control, and Chevy knows it. The 2025 ZR1 is expected to feature upgraded magnetic ride control, stiffer springs, improved aero balance, and serious braking power. Carbon ceramic brakes are likely standard, especially if this car is going after Porsche and McLaren on the track. Expect sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 are tires and a chassis that's tuned to handle all that power with confidence. Chevy wants this car to be just as good in the corners as it is in a straight line. Inside, the ZR1 stays true to the C8's fighter jet-inspired cockpit, but adds a race-ready touch. Think Alcantara everywhere, carbon fiber trim, and optional competition seats with serious bolstering. You'll get all the tech too, including Chevy's performance data recorder, real-time telemetry, launch control, and a fully digital gauge cluster that adapts based on your drive mode. It's luxurious enough for a long drive, but focused enough for the track. So what's it going to cost? While Chevy hasn't dropped official numbers yet, insiders expect a starting price around $150,000 to $170,000. That's a lot, but when you consider that it's aiming to compete with cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo S, the McLaren Artura, and even Ferrari's entry-level models, it's a bargain for the performance you're getting. Chevrolet is expected to unveil the ZR1 later in 2025, with production starting shortly after and deliveries in early 2026. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C8 ZR1 isn't just another performance model. It's a bold statement from Chevrolet. With nearly 850 horsepower, insane aero, and race car looks, this thing is going to shake up the supercar world. What do you think? Is the ZR1 worth the hype? Would you take it over a 911 Turbo S or something Italian like a Ferrari 296 GTB? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Auto Horizon, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the latest car drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.